Okay, let's say you already have a journal that you want to cite. This is Emerald, so in Emerald, they already give you the citation. So what you need to do is just to copy this into your Word. So go to the reference tab. Okay, by the way, put your cursor here. Let's say if you want to cite for this paragraph, then put your cursor here. Go to reference, insert citation, add new source. Then you paste the information here. Just make sure that the type of source is journal article. Then you click show all bibliography field. Then start filling up all of this information. So I will put the journal name year 1990, pages 27 to 38. I'll put the author name, Delena. Okay. What else? The volume and issue volume. Volume 7, issue 3. Issue 3, then the DOI. Then I'll put the URL just in case for my future reference. And that's all. So here you can go to the reference and then you click update citation and bibliography. There you go, the liner will appear here. So for example, I already cite one paragraph. For example, if I write again another paragraph and it refers to the same journal, so what I just need to do, just go back to the insert citation and find the liner here. So it will update here. So you can just do that, or you can take this and copy paste it here, so it would work the same. So let's say just now that I already do my citation, but I found that actually the spelling of the name is wrong or something is wrong. So you just go back to the manage sources here, find the liner, then click edit. Then you can go and edit back any of this field. So let's say for author name, author you cannot edit, so you need to write a new one. Let's say silap lah contohnya DGE ke, add, then you just delete the old one like that. Okay, so once you do that, then just click OK, close, and then go back to the reference and update the citation again. So that's all.